to get your Filipino wife to spring clean. Do spring cleaning to clean your house.
Hello.
Hey girl, how are you? You doing okay? Maybe ask her if she want to come hang out for a little bit. Shout out to our friend Ruby going for a nightly walk. Ruby, you're welcome to stop by and hang out, but you know, when people are going on their walk, a lot of times it's a routine, to exercise. So anyhow, you're welcome anytime. Stop by. You want to know how to get your Filipino wife, how to get her to clean your house to where it's cleaner than it's ever been before. I'm going to reveal the secret in this video. Hey, could you put your hair down for the video and look?
You do chismos.
Yeah, I'm gonna do. That's the purpose of the video, is to teach my fellow Kano out there, my fellow foreign guy, how to get your wife to clean the house. Yeah, put the shorts on properly. You don't need no crack problem. I'm trying to edit out a plumber's crack in the video. And hopefully I'm not feeling too much more water, because the rain ain't gonna hurt us, but that FX3. So, a few days ago, Fatima made plans with her posse.
What posse?
A posse. Baby, you know in the Western movies when they go after the bad guy and the sheriff rounds up a posse and they all ride off on their horses to find the bad guy? That's a posse. So you and your posse of Filipinas, your crew, your gang. A posse is like a temporary gang to go hunt down a bad guy. It's slang. Well, it's not slang, but anyhow, the point is, Fatima's wanted her posse to come over here and cook breakfast and hang out. I was like, hey, I'm all for it. But I said, you got to clean the house first. You know, this place is not exactly in tip-top shape. Because cleaning, let's be honest, cleaning is not a big strong point of Filipinas from the village. It's not. She grew up in a bamboo shack with what, 2 rooms or 1 room?
2 rooms.
Got 2 rooms? Maybe you have 1 room you added on like a redneck double wide. And I say that lovingly because I grew up in a single wide trailer with a room built on it called a redneck double wide. So once she figured out that the ladies were coming over, she cleaned this house from top to bottom, did spring cleaning. Force G,
Daddy,
sweet boy.
Try this on.
Okay, does everybody see that camera over there and understand that I'm making an award-winning travel show? There you go. Okay, well, at least you didn't pull the wire out of my wireless mic. Thank you for the visit, son. I love you. So Fatima cleaned this house from top to bottom. We reorganized some stuff, organized some stuff, straightened some stuff up. And I said, you know what? This place is the cleanest it's ever been. So that's the answer up front. How to get your Filipino wife. Sweetie, destroying my audio over there. Okay? How to get your Filipino wife to spring clean your house. Just invite some of her friends over who have never been to your house before. She will clean that place from top to bottom. There you go. There's the answer revealed. Now, it has to be ladies who have never been to her house before. It can't be family members. She don't care if the house has got 2 feet of mud in it. If her family's coming over, she don't care. Right? You don't care about that. She's never cleaned her house willingly, cleaned our house willingly, when we knew that family were coming over. Well, number 1, they're always there. Number 2, they're always coming over every day, so she don't care. It doesn't work if you say, hey, I've invited your mom to come over. She's not gonna clean nothing. If she invites her friends who have been over to your house, 24 times, she's not cleaning anything. It has to be friends who have never been to your house before, because she's shy. So she wants to clean the house, put on a good impression, right, baby?
Buangon ka na. I always clean it.
She's always cleaning about a 60%, 65% solution. Not 100% to my standards. I'm usually always yakking her about cleaning things. Let's be honest here. But cleaning is not one of her strong points, because she grew up in a bamboo shack. How much can you clean in a bamboo shack? I'm not trying to be mean. Okay? What are you talking about? I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just stating facts.
Give me this thing. That's for
So-
the girl, eh?
These are classic Ray-Ban aviators. This is not for the girls. Okay? So, anyhow, I just gave you the answer. But it doesn't work with friends, family who have been to your house a million times. So, what can you do? Well, if your house gets to the point that it's out of hand and you need to tighten up, you know, do a little spring cleaning, just find some friends that she knows from school, the kids' school, from the neighborhood, wherever. Just invite them over for dinner, breakfast, lunch, it don't matter. She gonna go to work. Right, baby?
Naman, of course. You tried it. You invited people in your house, then it's so dirty.
Well, why weren't you ever concerned when your family came over? Down there, you never cleaned the house if your family was coming over unless I yacked.
I love the.
What?
I tell him to help me to clean.
So you tell your family to help you to clean.
Did you turn on the hot water
What hot water?
down CR?
Why?
See, look again,
All right, she claims if Forrest takes a hot shower, then the skin gets dry.
Yes, oh look. So,
Okay, well maybe I did. But you know why? Because he was complaining. All right, it was already cold. He went in there, he didn't want the cold water, so I turned him some hot water on.
No, hot water, only cold water.
Okay, only cold water.
I want hot water for me.
Do y'all know this is an unscripted show, and I only planned this video about 30 seconds before I hit the record button on the camera. Any other tips on how to get your Filipino wife to clean your house? That's pretty much the only way, right?
Yeah.
Or what if you did a bonus? If I said, baby, we're gonna spring clean the house from
And
top
give
to
me a
bottom.
bonus.
I'll give you
Give me a
500 pesos.
No, 500. No.
500 won't do it? What's your price? Name your price.
1,000.
1,000?
3K.
Okay, she says 3K. Nah, it's easier to go buy 1,000 pesos worth of food and invite her friends over.
In your house, but in the other house, not only 3K. Oh, for one day. Yeah, I will do it. 3K.
Okay, so
to 5.
if anybody wants Fatima to clean your house,
3K like this.
which ain't gonna be a wonderful job, she'll do it for 3K, she says.
Wow.
For me, I'm gonna have 5K.
Maria wants 5K. So if we move to America and open up a cleaning business, y'all won't be getting that high salary. Wow, got a little thunder going on out here.
It's going to rain.
The sky is partly cloudy and it's beautiful over there where the sun is setting, but we do have a typhoon on the way, right?
Yeah. It's
And there's a
far,
few drops, but
far.
beautiful.
It's sweet, kano. It's
Ah.
in Luzon daw kano. It's the put a signal number 5 daw.
Where?
Luzon.
Signal 5? Oh, baby, we're on Luzon.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, where
but
is Luzon?
They put sometimes they put a 1, 2, 3, 4. Signal number 1, signal number 2, signal number 3. I don't know what signal we are, but they said it's 5.
There's a signal 5 somewhere on Luzon. So is that a super typhoon yet? I don't know. I think we're last video I said what we're at 21 typhoons for the year, or this will be 21. Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Life in the Philippines, all right?
God, always typhoon. Why they coming in here? Why did I just go to the ocean? And do a typhoon in there. Oi.
And that's where they come from.
No.
They come from the ocean, and then
Then
they
they-
come over here, flood us out.
I feel a drop.
So why is there always typhoons in the Philippines? Could be
It's raining now.
God punishing the wicked.
At least
What?
I have my umbrella.
Could be God punishing the wickedness.
But not me. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, there's rain.
Go
There you
get
go,
your
folks.
ano, that's a $1 million, sir ba?
Yeah, this camera represents your dream house.
Udong.
Who the hell is this guy you keep talking about named Odong? I think he's got a brother named Odell. Now walk back over here. I don't feel no rain.
Maria, go get the ano, Maria.
Look, the airplane up there. It's flying right over our place. Beautiful.
Look. That's so nice. That's so...
Look like Cebu Pacific. I've been very minimalistic since I moved over here to Southeast Asia. The way my brain works is that the least amount of things in a room makes the room the most beautiful. She thinks differently. The more crap you can put into a room and more clutter and clutter and clutter. I just don't go with that. You know what that famous German guy, the real smart German guy said, the best design is the least design. That's another reason I like moving around a lot, because every time we move, we shed unnecessary gear that we've accumulated. And when I say unnecessary, it's, baby, look, got a platoon running by. Hey, we're moving along too. Got a platoon of 5-0. I don't know if they're cadets or what have you. They run by every evening. Okay, very good. What was I talking about? So it's about time to go through the place and purge a lot of unnecessary stuff. And one of the big things of clutter is children's clothes that are too small that they cannot wear. It just irks me when the children outgrow their clothes that we hold on to them. Because there's plenty of kids within a stone's throw that need clothes. There's plenty of kids here that need clothes. There's never going to be a shortage of that. So, Big Pumpkin, in addition to your spring cleaning, we need to do a purge. So we need to go through all the children's clothes, figure out what they can't wear so I can give them. Where they at? She said she already get them, but there's no box to leave here. She just reshuffled them into another shelf. Baby, I want them to leave here so children. Okay, but we've been gone from the village for 6 months. They've outgrown a lot more stuff. See, Filipinos are pack rats. They're hoarders. They don't throw nothing away. Whether they use it or not, they're not going to throw it away. So what old single dad has to do is take matters into my own hands and go up there and purge everything myself, including her closet, her clothes. I have to do it when she's not here. When she's over at the school, it gives me a few hours. I can get in there and wreak havoc on her stash of polyester. Ain't that right, baby? Mm-hmm. Baby, did you see me sitting over here having a conversation, making an award-winning travel show, and you're just over there doing what? Huh? Chatting the girls. What I can do, folks? What can I do here? Did Mama do that hair for you? Yeah, now you look just like her. What do we need to prepare for? For the next typhoon? What do we need to prepare? We got food, we got water. What are we gonna do?
Uy, we're almost out of water.
Almost out. I'll put the call in the morning. Those lines where people are standing in line for water down there in Cebu. Huh? There's no wind right now. It's like the calm before the storm.
The leaves not moving.
Yeah, usually we have a breeze here where we live. It's just always a natural, where we live there's always a natural breeze. And then right now there's zero breeze. Yeah, you can borrow my chair.
Now you can do my nails, Mommy. Ma.
Which tomato plant is going dead? You gotta put a little water on them. What's the problem?
The leaves is drying.
You gotta put some water, big pumpkin. You gotta water those tomato plants.
That's wet, oh. Maria put water yesterday.